बच्चों 3D का ये क्वेश्चन है। फाइंड द रेशियो इन विच द प्लेन गिवन डिवाइड द लाइन joining the points this है। इनसे एक प्लेन का इक्वेशन दिया। Suppose that this is the plane, right? And there's 2 points lies. Let this point is P1 and another point is P2. P1 given -2, 4 and 7. And another point says that 3 minus 5 and 8. And the question says that the plane is joining the 2 points P1 and P2. Find the ratio. So it means let the solution, let the ratio K ratio 1. Suppose that the 2 points is joining K ratio 1. Okay? So find the points this P, and the P points is such that we know that section formula, that internal section formula. So K multiply this and 1 multiply this. So X के लिए क्या हो जाएगा 3K minus 2 by A plus 1. This is the X, and the another minus 5K plus 4 by A plus 1. And Z, K multiply it, 8K plus 7 by A plus 1. No, this point is lies on the plane, so it means this point is satisfied the given plane, and given point plane, given plane x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 70, and put the value x and y and z, find the value of k. So easily solve it, and k with the 3k minus 2y k plus 1 and minus 2 multiply minus 5k plus 4 by k plus 1 and plus 3 z is the 8k plus 7 by k plus 1. It is the equal of 70, and collect find the value of k. We just solve it. K plus 1 is the denominator for all the points. K plus 1 goes to right hand side. 3k minus 2 and minus 2 into this 10k minus 8 and plus 3 and 12 24k plus 21, and k plus 1 equal to 17. So 17 into k plus 1, 17k plus 70. So the all k's comes together 3k plus 10k, 13k plus 24k. It means 37k. And minus 2 minus 8 minus 10 plus 21 plus 11 and right hand side 17k plus 7. And it is on the left hand side goes to k 37k minus 17k is equal to 70 minus 11. and has 20K of 6, so K equals to 6 by 20, 3 by 10. It means the ratio of K ratio 1 is similar 3 ratio 10. The ratio of given plane is joining the 2 points P1 and P2 with the 3 ratio of 10. This is the 3 ratio of 10. Here K equals to 3 and 10 meters. So the final answer is the ratio 3 ratio 10. Thank you, बच्चों.